In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export data from Smartsheet to CSV step by step. This is perfect if you need to back up your data, share it with another system, upload it into a database, or simply work with your Smartsheet data in Excel, Google Sheets, or other tools that require CSV format. If you manage projects, reports, or workflows in Smartsheet, this is a simple but essential skill to know. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, go to the sheet that contains the data you want to export. This can be any sheet you have access to, whether it's a project tracker, task list, or report-style sheet. Make sure the correct sheet is open before moving on. Next, confirm that you're viewing the sheet in Grid View. You'll see the Grid option near the top of the sheet interface. Clicking on Grid ensures you're viewing the raw table-style data, which is the best format for exporting. If you're already in Grid View, you can move on to the next step. Now look toward the top left area of the Smartsheet interface and click on File. This opens the File menu where Smartsheet keeps all the options related to downloading, exporting, and managing your sheet. After clicking File, move your cursor down to the Export option. When you hover over Export, you'll see several export formats available. From this list, click on Export to Microsoft Excel. Smartsheet will immediately begin generating an Excel version of your sheet and download it to your computer. At this point, your data is no longer just in Smartsheet, it's now saved locally as an Excel file. Now here's the important part if you specifically need a CSV file. Open the downloaded Excel file on your computer. Once it opens, click on File in Excel, then choose Save As. In the File Format or File Type dropdown, select CSV, which may be labeled as CSV UTF-8 or comma delimited depending on your system. Choose your save location, give the file a name, and click Save. If Excel shows a warning about formatting or multiple sheets, simply confirm and continue. Your Smartsheet data is now successfully exported as a CSV file. You can now upload it to another platform, import it into a database, or share it with others who need the data in CSV format. And that's it. You've learned how to export data from Smartsheet to CSV in just a few minutes. If this video saved you time or helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.